Okay, here's a special dragon boat I made. I had a hull and the decks of an original 18-inch twin horseshoe motor boat, which is relatively rare. Twin horseshoe 18-inch boats are rare. Anyway, it was a mess, missing everything. So I put all new fittings, motors, everything in it. And I decided to paint it up like a red dragon boat, because everybody seems to like the red dragon boats I make, because I never made them originally. And so I wired it up. Deck switch turns on the lights and the eyeballs in the dragon. And then here's the inside. All nice brass fittings. Two nice rebuilt motors. Wired up like they were originally. Steering wheel switch. Forward and reverse. So she runs forward and reverse. There you go. Good running boat. I made everything. The hatches are all made. I made seats for it. Painted it up. Cherry sides, burgundy deck, gold pinstriping. All the fittings. See how pretty it is. It's a pretty boat, it really is. Brand new props. New old stock everything. Flagpoles. The only thing not original is the windshields I make and the ball stanchions I had made. And these are my air scoops too, which cost, thousands for the tooling. You know how that goes. Anyway, it's a beautiful boat. It's going on sale on eBay over there. And go from there. You can see all my boats that are at YouTube. Videos on the restoration video. The restoration video for this will be on YouTube also. I took the website down because I'm done with that. I'm just going to restore what I got and do some minor restorations and stuff for people. Maybe build a boat now and then, but that's it. I'm just winding it down. Anyway, thanks for all your kind comments for my boats. You can see them at on YouTube. Thanks again.